Going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone sending green messages. Now, before I show you how you guys can fix it, let me tell you guys why this problem occurs. Why your iPhone is sending green message is if your iPhone is sending SMS. So, in order for the message to be blue, the person who's receiving the message also needs to be using iMessages. And iMessage is only available for iPhone users. So let's say I send message to an Android user. So over here, Ncell is an Android user. Basically, it's not an Android user. It's a SIM card company. But like, it doesn't has iMessages. So if I send him a message over here, it's gonna be in green. But over here, my friend over here where it says Suya Gadigari, he uses iMessages. That's why all the message over here I sent to him is blue. So if I can say over this over here, it says hey, then it's gonna be on blue because he uses iMessage, alright? So if you're trying to send message to somebody who's using Android, it's gonna go through, SMS format. It is gonna be green, and there's no way to fix it. The only way to fix it is that person needs to be using iMessage. And even if the person you're sending message to is using iMessages and it's still being sent in green format, then the way to fix it is go under setting, and under setting scroll a bit down until you see iMessage or messages. In my case, it's showing messages. So just click on messages, and where it says iMessage, make sure it's turned on. If it is turned off, then every message you send is going to be sent in SMS format, which is going to be green. Alright, so make sure it's turned on. And if you're chatting with somebody who's using iMessage, not an Android phone, then it's going to be blue. Alright.